Hey y'all, this is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you stop what you're doing and you press that subscribe button. Also, make sure you click that bell for that notification link. So, if you want to see how I achieved this, because look, definitely stay tuned. It was very easy, and if you're trying to look for a last minute Halloween idea, this is it. All right, y'all, stay tuned. So hey y'all, I am coming in with a bare face. I'm going to be using this white pencil. This is like a regular white makeup pencil. I'm going to be using this to trace the outline of the black part of the makeup on this. So I'm going to be starting off with the band member Simmons. As you know, he is the lead bass guitarist. You already know his iconic look, especially when he sticks his tongue out. So I'm going to be starting off with that first. Now, don't be afraid to mess up. As you can see, it easily wipes away. Now, I kept looking at my monitor to make sure that I was, getting the look right. Well, at least the outline of it. Don't worry about the lines being perfect because you can try to make your lines more crisp when you're actually using the face paint. This is just giving me like a stencil look, so I know what part to paint white and what part to paint black. Now, as you can see, I had got the outline of what I wanted on my face. It's like I said, once again, it does not have to look exactly the same, but just give you some outline of where you want the paint to be. Now, I'm starting off with my white Snazaroo face paint. You can get this at a Michael's or Amazon. I've had this paint for quite some time. The brush that I'm using is just a regular foundation makeup brush. I do not have super expensive art brushes. I technically use what I can use to get the look across. As you know, I do these looks for the first time on here, so however they come out is however they come out. So I'm just going to be, outlining the white part of my face before I get started on the black. I highly suggest you do this method first, because if you start off with the black then the white, you have a high chance of possibly turning your whole face gray, and we don't want that to happen. Now, as you can see here, I have colored the white part of my face. Now I'm going to go in with the black, and the other empty space where you can just see my skin, I'm just going to polish black. And the look should actually come together once you're done with the black paint. Like I said, this was like really easy. I probably could have done this a lot faster, but as you know, when you're doing something for the first time, you want to make sure that you can get the look the first time. So that's just what I was doing. So now I'm like, okay, now I gotta cover like part of my forehead, and as y'all know, I got a big forehead, so it was a lot of black paint I had to use. And I make sure I push it up into my hairline because that's how it looks in the picture. Now I did put some more white paint around the edges, but I'll probably be doing that off of the camera. So now that I got the forehead done part, it's time to do around the eyes. So now I'm just coloring the empty space around my eyes black. And the brush that I'm using is, it's like a blending brush slash eyeshadow brush that I have. Like I said, these are just paintbrushes that I just use, or foundation brushes that I use that I feel like is going to get me the desired look that I want. I don't know the names of them. So like, you know, with me, just use what you got to get what you want. You know, that's my favorite line. So as you can see, you can straighten the lines a little bit more with the brush. If I had more of a steady hand, I'm pretty sure my look will be more crisp, or if I was doing this on somebody else, it definitely would be more crisp as well. But since I'm doing this, you know, I got the ring light in my face, y'all. I'm trying to do this on camera. I'm trying to look at the monitor. I'm doing what I could do. All right. But hopefully this helps y'all. So hey y'all, I am almost done with this eye. If you want to use some black eyeliner so that the inside of your eyes are black as well, do that. I was like, after I'm done with this look, I'm washing my face off and I didn't want to really risk by putting a whole bunch of black paint in my eye. Meanwhile, I've had it done before. It doesn't hurt. This which is why I like Snazaroo, because I've had this paint in my eyes and it doesn't really irritate it, because you definitely want to make sure you flush it out. So now I'm just doing the other side. As you can see, the other side is going really, really fast. Because after you get the one side, you're just like, okay. The other one's going to be pretty quick. Now here is technically almost the finished look. Next, I'm going to have to do my lips. And I'm just going to be using the same black paint. You don't have to use black paint. You can use liquid lipstick. Or, you know, just regular black lipstick or whatever you have. I'm just going to stick with the black paint. Just to, you know, complete the whole face paint look. Now as you can see here, I'm technically done with the look. You could choose to put eyelashes on, but I didn't want to. Now I gotta put my hair on. Hey y'all, so this is the final look. This was really fun to create. This was a look I've been wanting to do for like a couple years now. So definitely stay tuned, because I'm going to drop the other band members' looks. But this is, you already know who this is. Yep. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. Let me know if you like it, love it. I don't know, but this is really, really easy. Definitely take your time and do it. As you can see, I do everything for the first time on my channel. And yeah, someone told me I better drop some Halloween looks, and it's like 2 more days until Halloween. So I think I'm gonna drop this video on Halloween. I don't know, but whenever I drop it, just show your girl some love. All right, y'all. Bye.